Hey everybody, Andrew Zimmern here. And like you, I am counting down to Thanksgiving, and I'm here to show you a couple of tips and tricks, some things that I do with a couple of different dishes that'll help you make this holiday really, really special. I'm going to show you three things today. I'm going to show you an oyster chowder, green bean and mushroom casserole, and a pecan dessert that I love. So let's get going. First, I've steamed these beautiful fresh green beans, and I've made a mixture here of mushrooms and some shallot and some ground almonds, and I've seasoned it with a little bit of soy and lemon. So we're just gonna put some of that wonderful mushroom mixture in there. The steam from that mushroom mixture is gonna warm up my green beans. Use all five senses when you're cooking, right? You can touch food, you can taste it, you can smell it, you can see it, but what most people don't realize, you can also hear it. So I can hear things go from a simmer to a boil. Give it a little shake. Look at the crust. Look at the brown crusting, and then we take this and put it into our serving bowl for the table. And that is Thanksgiving side dish perfection. I'm also simmering here some of the elements of my chowder. I love a lot of potatoes in my chowder. I'm gonna add my cream, and when my cream starts to simmer, I'm gonna add my oysters and scallops. And I just wanna gently move that around because the oysters all cling together. I wanna put a portion of chowder into a bowl so you could see what it would be like if I was serving this more as a course in my home. Most of the time, I put an oyster or two and a scallop in a mug. As people come into the house, they're taking off their coats, and then I put this into my guest's hand. So that's what I do. So last but not least, these are my Aunt Suzanne's pecan bars. If I have 3 or 4 other pies and a fruit compote and a whole bunch of other stuff and other guests are bringing dessert, maybe I cut these much smaller. This is that crispy, roasty, toasty, butterscotch caramelly nut bar of your dreams. I hope some of these recipes, tips, tricks have inspired you to make your Thanksgiving even more special this year than any other. Let's all be grateful for whatever time we can spend together.